Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. So, my realistic people, I bring before you all the latest that you need to know. Example of one of them is that you guys know that a lot of things has been going on, and according to the Biafra, the autopiloted Ipob did their fundraising yesterday, the 18th day of March 2023. And as you all know, a lot of things happened among them recently about betraying, about account, and so many others. And a lot of people were like saying, oh, that sounds right. That after the audio or after the accusation or after the exposition, according to the way a lot of people will say it, that there is fire right now among the autopiloted Ipob, that they can never come out to do fundraising anymore. I say shoo, for real. They said yes, so that we should make a bet that there won't be any fundraising, that even if there is fundraising, people will not turn up. And I said, okay, let us see, because me, I'm someone that I love challenge, and I love what I see, not what they told me or what I hear. I love what I see, and I judge according to what I see, not according to what I hear. If you bring any issue for me, make sure you also bring the evidence, because without evidence, I can't say nothing. But believe me, the fundraising they did yesterday, the Ipob autopilot did yesterday, it was the talk of the internet. In fact, that fundraising break the internet. People were coming out and saying that just because of the accusation everywhere, just because of this problem everywhere, I am here to support the autopilot Ipob in a different form and in a high amount. I am like, shoo. So for those of you that are saying that the fundraising will not hold and all that, come, let me tell you, the fundraising break the internet. Some communities from Nigeria even donate to the fundraising or to whatever they decide to do with the money. So I am here to let you people understand that the fundraising actually hold, and in a grand style, fundraising that lasted for good 7 hours, not just lasting for 7 hours, but people show up to support the Eastern Security Network. So I am here to pass this message to all my fans out there, to everyone who said the fundraising will not hold because of one issue or the other. I am here to clarify it, that of a truth, the fundraising hold in a new dimension and in a high ranking as that. So that's to clarify that issue, because if the fundraising did not hold, believe me when I said I will still come here and let you people understand that the fundraising never hold. But with what we saw yesterday, the fundraising extremely in a very high rate, 100% correct, connect, hold, and of a great stand. So that is what I came to let my people understand. Okay, that brings us to Madam Azuka addressing Biafrans. Listen to her, and I'll be right back.
Even the soldiers, everybody, by your balance, children of the Most High, by bloodline, support and blood, because he has a sacred bloodline, you know. So that's my message. Thank you very much.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Thank you. Madam Azuka, you round it off here.
Okay. Thank you, dear friends. Thank you. Uma Dada to Wefi.
I never.
You guys are wonderful, and I must thank each and every one of you who stayed through to donate your widow's mites. And let me tell you, it's not easy bringing out this money, but the fact remains that God in heaven is with us. and we're marching forward. I want to thank each and every one of you for making it possible today and to shame the devil. And that all these nonsense and all these noises cannot be tolerated anymore. The fact remains that we are in the final phase of this restoration, and not only final phase, but the 11th hour. That is why we cannot condone or tolerate any form of distraction. So if you bring in it, I am telling you, you are going to find your way out. We're going to kick you off the road because we can't continue going this way. Biafra would have come a long way, but because of some, incompetence over there, trying to disrupt what we're doing, I must tell you, it has not been easy, but God has been with us, and we've gone a long, long, long way. So there is nothing any man can do about the restoration of Biafra. If you have not contributed, please think about contributing. If you have contributed, please always share to your friends, call them in, and then let them come in and then do their part. Because what we're doing now is the last. So that's what we are. So please, everything that you've done today, and those who have been calling me from all parts of the world, trying to support me in different, it's not easy, but I tell you, try to keep your face out there, and then some people are trying to paint you what you are not. But I want to reiterate that I am as hard as nuts. I am not the type you can crack. I am as strong as anything you can think about. So if you think that blackmailing is what you can come up with, I tell you, don't even care about it. It is making me happy because Onyendu, our leader, said, if they don't have anything to do, it's the topic to discuss. And as you're doing it, you are still working on that ground to make sure that you are doing the work of the Biafran people. So my promise to you is that I will see to the end of this, and I'm sure that Umada of Biafra and all the media team, and of course our language agenda, the dragon of Biafra land is as strong as anything I've never seen. Apart from my husband, I don't think I've seen anybody that is as strong as Simon Ekpa. I am telling you. So when you look at that baby face, don't go and mess with it. Because you mess with it, you're going to get blala. I told him that what we're going to be using now is blala. You see this? And when you're pure, we're not playing around. If you think that we are here to joke, just stay by the side. Back one side. Because Biafra would have come a long way. It has taken too long. But because of all these noises and blackmailing and all, the people will come in, and then reasonable people will come in. When they see it, they will be like, okay, what am I even doing here? But it's not that my type. Not the dragon that I've seen, and not this Umada, and not this media team that will work for months now. So bring it on. Bring your blackmail. We don't care. Bring whatever you think you can bring. It doesn't move us at all. We're heading home. Everybody start preparing, because if you see what is going on now, this is the best opportunity to get our nation. And I tell you, look, what you do not know is bigger than you can think about. So if you think that blackmailing is what you can come up with, I tell you, don't even care about it. It is making me happy because Onyendu, our leader, said, if they don't have anything to do, it's the topic to discuss. And as you're doing it, you are still working on that ground to make sure that you are doing the work of the Biafran people. So my promise to you is that I will see to the end of this. And I'm sure that Umada of Biafra and all the media team, and of course our language agenda, the dragon of Biafra land is as strong as anything I've never seen. Apart from my husband, I don't think I've seen anybody that is as strong as Simon Ekpa. I am telling you. So when you look at that baby face, don't go and mess with it. Because you mess with it, you're going to get blala. I told him that what we're going to be using now is blala. You see this? And when you're pure, we're not playing. If you think that you are here to joke, just stay by the side. Back one side. Because Biafra would have come a long way. Not the dragon that I've seen, and not this woman and not this media team that will work for months now. So bring it on. Bring your blackmail. We don't care. Bring whatever you think you can bring. It doesn't move us at all. We're heading home. Everybody start preparing, because if you see what is going on now, this is the best opportunity to get our nation. And I tell you, look, what you do not know is bigger than you. By the time we unleash what we have, I am telling you, the whole world will stand up, because the children of God are moving with light and fire. So always get yourself ready. We're getting home this year. This year is the year of restoration of the children of God in their own country, made with wheat, milk, and honey. So I want to thank each and every one of you to be strong, focused, diligent, resilient, and know what you're doing. Don't try to tear us apart, because we cannot spare you. We are heading home until we get to Biafra land. For those who are fallen angels, sorry, we cannot help you anymore. Okay? And those who are being paraded as our commanders, you are not our. You guys are criminals. All the people that brought you are the people you're working for. They are all criminals, so they don't belong here. So belong to the criminal camp. By the time we get to Biafra land, if there is something we want to ask you, I will ask you. But if you want to stay out there and then prepare yourself to get Biafra too, we'll join you there. So, but for now, we don't need any distraction. You can form your clique and form your group and be doing what you're doing, but not in autopilot. Not in autopilot will you come to distract us. Not this time, not today, not tomorrow, not even next month. So we're heading home. I want to thank each and every one of you, all the people that have been contributing, keep contributing. Because by the time we get to Biafra, we'll open the book of life, and then you will still enjoy what you've sown. So keep sowing until we make it to the land. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. And from here, good evening.
Thank you.
So my mother family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do where to like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.